To install the roof basket kit on your RZR XP or XPS, follow these steps. Before starting, read, understand, and follow all the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the written instructions and on all product labels. Failure to do so can result in serious injury or death. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by assembling the front cargo basket plate to the top front rail tube using 7 screws. Install the bottom 2 screws first. Torque screws to specification. Next, assemble the front cargo basket plate assembly to the base cargo basket assembly using 5 screws. Torque to specification. Then, assemble the front plate and rear plate using 4 screws and 4 nuts. The rear plate overlaps on top of the front plate. Torque nuts to specification. Now, install 5 screws and 5 nuts to the plate assembly. Torque nuts to specification. After this, attach the cargo basket plate to the plate assembly using 7 screws. Torque screws to specification. Next, attach the left cargo basket plate to the plate assembly using 7 screws. Torque screws to specification. To install the roof basket on an aluminum roof, the use of a second person is necessary for accessory installation. Reference written instructions for the poly roof procedure. Begin by removing and discarding 4 screws and 4 washers from the roof. Next, remove and discard the plastic inserts and rubber gaskets from the roof. Leave the rubber and foam seals on the underside of the roof attached. Then, install the top rear brackets between the roof and B-pillar. After this, install the bottom rear spacer between the top rear brackets and B-pillar. Now, install 2 bottom front spacers between the roof and A-pillar. Continue by installing the roof rubber spacer and top rear rubber spacers on top of the roof over the holes. Next, install the top hat spacer through the top rubber spacers, roof, and front-bottom rubber spacers. Then, with the help of an assistant, lift and put the roof basket on top of the spacers. Align the basket mounting slots with spacer holes. After this, install 4 washers, 2 screws, and 2 screws. Now, loosely install 2 nuts to 2 front screws. Continue by loosely installing the bottom rear brackets and attach using 1 nut. Next, make sure all rubber spacers and rear brackets are aligned with the ROPS and roof. Finally, torque all screws to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.